Hi boss, so today we are here to introduce this BMW 12.3-inch Android Player. So this is the original screen. You can see very small and no function. So after upgrading our 12.3-inch Android Player in this BMW, we can support back original system. So all original function is here. You can see. So everything is here. So it doesn't work anything. And also for this one, the iDrive can support back to control the Android Player. So back apps, everything we can use this iDrive to control. For example, we have a car info also. So when we enter car info, you can see seatbelt, handbrake, release, everything is here. So car info is here. And also, one very important thing is customer come to upgrade 360 camera. So this is come with a 3D mode lah. So you can see your car from top view, angle view, any angle you also can see from this player. So you can zoom in until beside seat. Okay, so this one, this 360 camera, we have front view, back view, left view, right view, steering wheel, wide angle view, everything view lah. So a lot of view. And most important, for example, today we are at home. Okay, we reverse. See, sensor is also coming up from this 360 camera. The sensor, everything. And also steering wheel control. It will turn together. You can see from here. Steering wheel, we turn left, turn right, everything is here. Okay. So we press P. Jump back to our Android system. So okay, you can see here now, jump back to our Android system. So okay, this player we come with Apple CarPlay. So once we press this Z link, okay, this is Apple CarPlay interface. So we are connected to the phone. So when I press base, for example, I press this, so directly go from here. So you can see, direct we go. Okay, so this is Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. Okay. So now let me show you the spec of the player. You have EQ for the 8-band EQ, so the sound is very good. Surround sound, bass boost, zoom, bass filter, everything is here. Okay, now most important is the apps. Okay, so we have Google Map, YouTube, Netflix you can download. So Waze also can download. So this is Play Store, you can download anything you need. So you have to log in first. So okay, this is YouTube. So now we have a look at the video quality of the player. Okay. So this is, we can watch football, watch movie, watch news or anything for our passenger in car. Okay, for example now on the split screen, so I can press this to here. For this side, I can choose anything. Okay, example for maps. So passenger, for us can watch what they want to watch. And for driver, we can see Waze, Google Map, anything we want. So we just put a location, okay. So we know where we are, then you see it's no lagging and very smooth. Okay guys, so our player including this app, what app is this? So in this app, we can use our phone, our iPhone or Android to track where our car at, current where are we at, and what is the history of the car from where to where, everything we can check from this app.